Hi everyone, this is yours truly, DKC. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to this vlog. Today we are driving from Palative in Tobago. Tobago is located in the Caribbean. We are in the southernmost part of the Caribbean, just above Venezuela. Tobago is the twin island partner of Trinidad, which is more popular, right, in the international arena. But welcome to the vlog. Drive with us. It's a nighttime drive through the rainforest. Enjoy the vlog. Be entertained. Consider subscribing, liking, sharing. Tell us what you want to see, and enjoy the vlog.
See the difference? Watch. All them are the normal light, right? See, this is the normal light. When I put on the high beam, watch.
Wow, you're seeing up in the trees.
Yeah. We're going right. We're going down to the side.
A long road. I wonder where we're going to end up. Where is this road leading?
You sure this is space? This is it? Rainforest?
Baby, it is the rainforest. That's why there's no lights. Where is this road leading?
This not supposed to go to rocks, bro?
100 years ago, the watchtower.
I wonder if this is the right road.
It's the summer road, same rocks, bro. There's a pass here and then end up right back in Castara. If you think the right road. You know that? That happened to me already.
No sign of street lights. Their example, singing deeper. Bamboo almost fall down in the road there.
I would like to go back Castara side. There's a whole lot of driving up.
Look at where the gas is.
No, I tell you. Well, don't try to make mistakes, sir. You guys can carry your home, man. Now you're doing the most important things. So the gas tank close up everything. Well, I'm not thinking, now working?
Yeah, it's working.
But we're sending you.
No, we going good, I think. But the GPS, I don't have only GPS.
Well, I'm doing now working? Yes, sir. Pathway is you drive all the way to Roxbury.
Is you my friend? When you always there when the ups and downs and wrongs and the man. When you need someone who cares a heart to bear, I'll be your friend in need. You can count on me. Lights, people. All roads lead to Roxborough. Maybe this is going to Roxborough. We are in Roxborough already. Secondary School. Hi, Roxborough Sec. Popular pie shop. Police station and hospital. The hospital first, police station next. And they have something by the police youth club. Ain't no part of this world. Show love as we spread the good news. Every little thing good, though we stand out as different, Jehovah we are one. Sidbury Complex. From sea to sea, with God's people we found true family. Yes, there are anxieties, but hope is real. Paradise to come, true peace is near. So we keep trusting in His word and remember to Argyle Waterfall. This world in every little thing we do. Show love as we taking a break. Woo! The love and the brotherhood. Though we stand out as different, with Jehovah we are one. but they them cockroach just like to be.
And remain no part of this world. In every little thing we do, show love and we spread it.